One thing.
Mr. Bloom, how can we start out? No, just listen. How can we start out so well, and then I hear you. No, just listen. Just listen. And then just listen to me. We start out so well, and then I try to get you to where you kind of want to be, and then you fight with me about it, and then you just go at me again. I don't know why you do that to me.
Because there's multiple issues.
Okay, I know.
Please, I have been denied law library for 15 months.
You mean at the jail?
Yes, Your Honor. And I know they try to say that it's policy that you have to have.
All right, Bond will continue. Thank you, Mr. Camp.
Thank you.
Okay. Court calls the case, People versus Jeffrey Bloom.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Morgan Barroso on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Bloom. Mr. Bloom, can you state your name for the record?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
My name is Jeffrey Bloom, and I have asked to disqualify the Public Defender's Office. I was referred for a competency exam when I did so, and didn't receive the competency exam, but I made this part of record on November 1st. I have contacted the Public Defender's Office multiple times, Your Honor, and no one will accept my call because they're saying they don't handle my case. So, 2 weeks after I visited you.
Hold on 1 second, Mr. I'll hear from you, but just hold on a second.
Yes, sir.
Who has your other matter?
It's Sam Bernstein, but I would like to represent myself in this case, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, hold on. I'll hear from everybody, but were you done, Mr. Bloom, with what you were saying? In that?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. What did you want to say?
I was going to echo what Mr. Bloom was saying. We are in the process of withdrawing from this case due to a breakdown attorney-client in the attorney-client relationship. I'm not sure why the paperwork and all that didn't get to the court yet. I believe it should have been handled before today, Your Honor. It might also been an issue. We don't have the competency report. Our officer, the MAC office, may be waiting to receive that before we withdraw. But we are in the process of withdrawing this, correct?
May I speak again, Your Honor?
Okay, hold on just 1 second. I'm just looking, Mr. Bloom, to see what I have. Okay, go ahead.
I was referred for a competency exam because I fired the Public Defender's Office. Judge Slay, in my multiple felony count case, says there's no reason for me to take a competency exam. Okay, anyway, Your Honor, I have called these people for week after week. 2 weeks, like I said, 2 weeks after our last visit. Every time I call them, I ask for discovery. I ask for the police reports. I ask for witness statements, hospital reports, everything. I am denied, and they hang up on me. These people are highly incompetent.
Okay, so, well.
Cease and desist.
Hold on one more.
Immediately. I am denied law library.
Okay, I'll hear you. I'm just trying to sort out what you're telling me.
I'm just a little
frustrated. I got you. So the problem is that on the other case, the felony case, the PD did withdraw on, and that's where you have Mr. Bernstein now?
And I was threatened with a competency exam that time also, Your Honor.
Okay, I don't know anything about that. I'm just saying.
Yes, sir, you're absolutely correct.
I'm just trying to figure out representation.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's Mr. Bernstein. Okay, so that's who's representing you in that matter right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it seems to me, although you want to represent yourself, yes, that can happen, but it seems to me that I guess I'm unclear as to why. I mean, I don't know what the withdrawal was on the other thing, but it doesn't matter. If there was going to be a withdrawal, then at minimum, Mr. Bernstein could be appointed to represent Mr. Bloom in this matter, and then Mr. Bloom can make a decision as to how he wants to proceed with it. But, and I'm just unclear as to why that hasn't happened, but that may not be you, Mr. Bloom. Turn around, face me, okay?
I'm curious.
Well, but Ms. Perrony may not know. Okay, so don't stare at her.
None of them seem to know.
Well, that's okay. I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows. I'm just saying what should have happened. So however this occurs, this has got to be straightened out. So I don't, you're held on the other matter at this point, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
With no bond. Might I add.
Okay. All right. That's the one that's before Judge Slate.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I just want to make sure there's not going to be a delay that keeps
Oh, there will be.
Well, that keeps you.
That's why this case was brought up. You'll see the light. You will see the light, Your Honor.
Okay. So, I just want to make sure that you weren't going to be held if I adjourn this matter out to get all this stuff straightened.
Well,
Okay.
I just want, this is the only thing I'm wishing. Do not allow these people to deny me a law library, Your Honor. Please, I have been denied law library for 15 months.
You mean at the jail?
Yes, Your Honor. And I know they try to say that it's policy that you have to have a representation of yourself to have law library. That's a blatant civil violation.
All right.
Also,
Go ahead.
if you could just allow me to have law library, if you could demand those people to stop denying my due process and my rights to the courts, I would highly appreciate it. And if you think I need a competency exam, you can send me for a competency exam, but please stop denying my law library.
Well, I'm not, this is set right now for a competency hearing, but you haven't been interviewed.
Oh, no. This is blatantly done for a reason. I'm
Okay,
well
all right.
aware of it.
Okay. All right. We'll get to all of that eventually, Mr. Bloom. All right.
Thank you for being patient with me, sir. I do have Parkinson's, so if I make jerky movements, or I think I made the court aware of that last.
Yes, you did. And you're welcome. Let's patience is all I have. And sometimes it leaves. But here's what I'll do. Let's put this out to the 7th. I
have court with Judge Slay on the 8th.
Hold on. I just want to make sure. So, I think this is going to be another issue. I just want to make sure. Okay. So, oh no, I do. Okay. So I have an order for competency that was signed in this case, but that probably paired along with the other.
There is no competency in the other case.
Hold on, just stop for a moment. But now, what you're telling me is that there is no competency ordered in the circuit court case.
There never was.
Okay.
I'm fully capable, Your Honor.
I think if you haven't been interviewed for competency yet, then here's what I'm going to suggest we do, Mr. Bloom. Let me adjourn this out, get it straight, let them get, if you have Mr. Bernstein, hopefully that's what they'll do. Just put Mr. Bernstein temporarily even on this case. Okay.
I want
Just hear me out,
They're
okay?
going to deny me law library.
But Mr. Bloom, hear me out, okay? But hold on, just hear me out. To get rid of the competency order that's in my file.
Okay.
That's what you follow me?
I got you.
So if the MAC office, I can't direct them to do it. If they put Mr. Bernstein on that case, there's no competency in the other matter, try to get rid of the competency in this one. And then if you want to represent yourself, then I can entertain that motion.
Can you stop the denial of the due process? Please.
That's not, I'd have to have a full-blown hearing on it, Mr. Bloom, and I'm not going to do that. Because I'm not going to do that only because right now, if their policy is, we may be able to get you there.
It's an illegal policy.
Mr. Bloom.
I don't mean to be a problem, Your Honor.
No, you do.
But one thing,
Mr. Bloom, how can we start out? No, just listen. How can we start out so well, and then I hear you. No, just listen. And then just listen to me. We start out so well, and then I try to get you to where you kind of want to be, and then you fight with me about it, and then you just go at me again. I don't know why you do that to me.
Because there's multiple issues.
Okay, I know. I hear them all. I'm used to sorting out issues. Mr. Bloom.
Yes, Your Honor.
So here's what we're gonna do. All right. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna adjourn this out to the 7th. Let that one part get, here's what my hope is. That the one part regarding the attorneys get done. Get the competency off of this case. Then I will entertain your motion to represent yourself. If I grant that motion, then my understanding, based upon what you told me, if you're representing yourself in a case, then you're going to get your law library privileges. So I'm trying to get you there.
In the meantime,
Oh, boy.
one other thing. Yeah.
Oh, another thing.
One thing.
Really?
I've asked the public defender's office for the discovery in this case, the police report, the victim's statements, the hospital statements, the officer's statements that said I assaulted this medical staff in the jail. Well, they have denied me those on multiple occasions, and they keep hanging up on me when I call them. They say, we don't represent you.
Stop.
So I have this for the clerk of the court.
Mr. Bloom, stop right there. Miss Perroni, do you guys have discovery on this case?
Yes, we do.
Can we then do this? Can we try to get Mr. Bloom a copy of that prior to the whole thing being done? Okay?
Yeah, we can get it to the jail today.
Okay, very good.
Full. Because the report that I got from the officer says that all the statements were included, but they weren't.
Okay.
Can I give you this, Your Honor?
I don't know what that is.
It's for discovery.
What is it?
It's the same thing one of your esteemed attorneys would write for discovery. It's asking the clerk of the court to grant me the discovery.
I already have the discovery request in, and I'm trying to,
From them, but I'm not getting it.
okay, what, did you hear what I just said to them?
Yes, Your Honor.
They're gonna get that to you. They're gonna try today. Mr. Bloom, if it's tomorrow, don't come screaming. All right? They're gonna get
No.
it, they're gonna,
I've waited since October 17th. Excuse me, Your Honor. I apologize. I'm really
no,
frustrated.
you don't. I know you apologize. I know you don't mean to be this way, but you are.
I am.
And I'm trying to just solve your problem. So if you had listened, what you told me you didn't have discovery. I looked at them, I said, do you have it? They said, yes. They said they'd try to get it to you today. I can't deal with what happened in the past.
But they said that-
okay, I know, Mr. Bloom, Mr. Bloom.
It's all good.
I can only
So
solve
what if
the
they
problem
don't?
that's in front of me.
So I write a grievance on them then, right?
Well, I don't know that you want to do that. All I want is you to get the discovery. If you're telling me that's your problem, then I'm trying to solve your problem.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
I almost hate to ask this, but there's nothing else, is there?
Well,
No. Good. Mr.
there is one more thing, Your Honor. I'm being denied a dental extraction because I do not believe in taking injections in my mouth. And they're telling me that for that reason alone, they are denying me an extraction of an infected tooth. And if you will look at your video from 11/12 of 2022, you will see my face was swollen like a pumpkin and I was clearly sick with infection. This is happening again.
Okay, Mr. Bloom, let me stop you.
I just want it on
With
record.
regard, okay, you
Thank
put
you.
it on record. I don't get involved in medical decisions
Well,
made at the jail.
That's part of your
All
job too. But
All right.
have a good day.
Thank you. Bond will continue. Could have been a whole lot up here. Just wasn't.